Yo, what's up, everybody? Once again, it's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on my G35X. So, like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right down below the video. Make sure you click that thumbs up if you liked it. Like always, if you don't like the video, then you already know what to do. Put that thumbs down. But if you do like the video and you do subscribe, all you got to do now is just click on that notification bell. By doing that, you'll be notified to want to upload a video on the channel. That's very important if you don't want to miss anything that I do to this car or anything that I put on my channel. So make sure you click on that notification bell if you want to stay in touch. But yeah, like always, do those three things, and I'd greatly appreciate it, and you'll always be part of the G35 fam. So that being said, let's get this video started. Alright, so as you can see, if you haven't checked out the thumbnail, I'm getting a new, I got a new shift knob for my G35. As you can tell, this one right here is all beat up. But instead of, going with this OEM style, I thought I would switch it up. As you can tell, it is automatic, so I'm hoping this works. But if it doesn't, then, I'll just put this one back on and, just see what happens. But like I said in the thumbnail, I got me a Tomei shift knob. It's the long one. So pretty much the one that I got, it's a 90 millimeter, and it is let me read this. Yeah, 90 millimeter. The thread is M10 by P 1.25 millimeter. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But they do make other ones, shorter ones, but I did get the long one because I guess that's what I needed for my shift now, I guess, because it's long. So anyways, I'm gonna remove this, install this one, and we're gonna see how it looks, and hopefully if it works. If, like I said, if it doesn't, then I'll just put this one back on. I just thought I'd try it out and see how it looks. The reason why I got this one, not because of the price. I did get it for, it was like 28 bucks, but shipping came out to like 38 bucks. But not because of the price, but because I just wanted something lightweight, something that didn't get hot. I didn't want like a shift knob that was made out of metal, and didn't want it getting hot when I get in the car, because it's already hot as it is. So I wanted something with a different type of material. So that's why I got this one, and we'll see how it is. So I'm gonna remove this. If y'all don't know how to do this, it's real easy. So pretty much you pull this little ring down. So I don't know if you can see, but this little ring has like a little piece in there that goes in this little channel right there, and it locks it. So you just pull that down. Then you have this little metal little clip, I guess, to support. You want to just pull the little tab out, just like that. Hold on. I'm gonna hold on to this because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. And then you just lift it up, and that's pretty much how you remove it. If you have any problems, make sure you get pictures of how everything is before you put everything back if you don't like it. That way you don't mess anything up. So get visual pictures and everything of how it looks. So let me open this up. Yes, I'm doing this all with one hand. Alright, so okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see what happens. It comes with their Tomei symbol. So you put that, it has a 3M tape, so wherever your thing lands, you just put it on there once you're done. That way you can represent your brand. And it also comes with if you do have a manual and you're not just trolling, like, you know, they do come with, you know, the types of styles in which way your shifter goes. This brand, they have it for Nissan, Mitsubishi, Mazda, and Isuzu. So if you have one of those and it's standard, these are the patterns that, you know, they have. But since I have automatic, I'm not going to be using it, so I'll just put those back. So yeah, so pretty much you just put it on there. I don't know if you can hear that clicking. That's because when you engage your shifter and, you know, shift to whatever gear you're gonna go, you need to have that to be able to, you know, shift. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's kind of wobbly. I think I need to get that other trim kit that goes with this, so that way it overlaps it and it looks nice. Because as you can see, the one that I have is like a rectangle shape, so it doesn't fit. So I don't know if that's why it's loose. But let me turn it on and see what happens. Boom! Oh, I thought it was gonna. Did I scare y'all? Sorry. Alrighty. Let me turn on the AC. It's gonna be a little hot. So, okay, push it down. Alright, shift this way. Okay, this way. Alright, now let me drive and see how it feels. Okay, so far, just besides it being loose, I like the way it feels. It's not heavy. It's kind of lightweight, so that's a good thing. Yeah, let's see. All right, let me shift into first or second. I don't know if y'all could see it, but then I'm gonna go to drive, and boom. So, I mean, it looks pretty cool. I was trying to get something to match, you know, the color scheme, like what I have for my my wood trim, the wood grain and all that with the trim. But you know, this is what I found. I was looking at other types, like the what is it, the Nismo and all that, but they were all like a shiny color, and they were made out of metal, so I didn't really want that, because it is hot in Texas, and you know, it's gonna be hot in my car, and I didn't, you know, just something simple like that. I know it's kind of picky, but that's why I kind of went with this one. But other than that, other than it being a little loose, as you can see, I don't know if that's because I don't have that trim part, or if it's just like that. I like the way it feels. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think, how it looks. This is how it looks in the G35. So, like I said, my car is an automatic, so I don't know if this is gonna look good or not, but that's pretty much. Then downshift. So yeah, I guess you can say this is kind of a little review, but also an install on the Tomei long shift knob. Like I said, it's the 90 millimeter. if you want, if you have questions, I mean, I could I could leave a link down in the description where I got it from. I mean, all you really gotta do is just type in Tomei shift knob and it'll pop up. This shift knob right here, it does not work on a Nissan 370 or a G37. I guess because the way the length is, it won't work. Something that I do know is it's just sitting in there, so there's no threads. So I don't know if that's a good thing, because if I'm doing some aggressive, driving, which in an automatic, I mean, you either put it in automatic or you whatever. I have a feeling like it'll just pop off. So I don't know if that's a good thing, but put it in park, and then now the thing. Okay, because if one thing I wanted to mention is if you can't put the car in a park and you can't take the key out of the ignition, that means that you don't have that means it's not working properly. And usually when that is, that little blue piece that was shown, if it's not working, you probably gotta have it the wrong way. I know it's kind of stupid, but yeah, if you face it, if it's not in the proper position, you won't be able to take your keys out. So make sure that's, like I said at the beginning, before you do anything, make sure you take pictures. That way, just in case if something's not working, you make sure you have it the right way. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna put this sticker on here, and I mean, it looks kind of tacky like that because I don't have the right part to cover that up. But other than that, that's what it's gonna look like, guys. So I am gonna keep this old one just in case, but yeah, that's the Tomei long shift knob. So I guess I would say it's a lightweight. The install is real easy, but I don't know if I did it right because you see how it's moving. But like I said, it's a lightweight. The way it feels, it's I don't know if you can hear that. Some type of material. It's not metal, so it's not gonna get hot. And yeah, it was cheap. So hopefully it's something that you don't get what you pay for, because if it is, that's gonna suck. And like I said, I'll just keep the original. But yeah, I know this video is kind of long. I hope I didn't put y'all to sleep, but I wanted to show y'all what it looks like, because I haven't really seen any videos on YouTube on a G35 sedan, the automatic, or I mean pretty much any G35. I haven't seen this brand of Tomei. So that's pretty much what it looks like, guys. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, if I have to get this trim thing, then I'll get that. But other than that, that's what it's gonna look like, guys. So I'm gonna put this on, and that's pretty much the end of this video. So yeah, like always, if you liked my videos, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right down below the video. And like always, click that notification bell, guys, because if you don't, then you'll miss out on any videos that I put up on the channel. I got some things coming for the engine bay, kind of dress it up. So we're gonna see how that looks out. I'm gonna do an install and all that. But I just thought I'd share this video with y'all because, like I said, I haven't seen any videos on a G35 with the Tomei shift knob. So if you have any questions, before you even buy it, or if you have any questions how it feels, like how when I drove it right now, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll answer any question you got. But other than that, guys, it's your boy G Money, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, and peace.